What if healing didn't require pushing, fixing, or forcing, but remembering what your body already knows? My work supports people who are living with anxiety, stress, emotional overload, or pain. People who feel stuck, depleted, or disconnected from themselves. In my one-to-one sessions, I work with the subconscious, the nervous system, and the body's natural energetic intelligence. Rather than chasing symptoms, I gently address the deeper patterns that keep the body in a stress response. The work is calm, practical, and deeply restorative. Clients often describe feeling lighter, grounded, and more centered, sometimes after years of trying other approaches. My role is simply to guide you back into coherence, where the body can self-regulate and heal. This same philosophy lives at the heart of my Healing Card Deck course. My cards are based on hand-painted subconscious imagery and carefully crafted messages, designed to shift people out of survival and overthinking into clarity, presence, and inner alignment. My course teaches individuals and practitioners how to use the cards ethically and professionally for personal growth, client work, or group settings. It's especially powerful for those in well-being, coaching, or healing professions. My course is accredited through the International Kinesiology College Personal Development School and offers a simple yet profound way to support emotional regulation without overwhelm. At the heart of everything I do is empowerment, helping people reconnect with their own inner wisdom to become active participants in their healing journey. Healing isn't something you receive, it is something you remember. The healing begins the moment you remember what your body already knows.